y'all, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I am unboxing the Melody Susie Scamander nail drill. It is about, I got it off of Amazon and it is $66. It is a rechargeable nail file, my first rechargeable e-file. I was using the JD 700 one, which is a really good e-file. It has lasted me like 5 years. It's just starting to make a bit of a funky noise, so I wanted to invest in a rechargeable one. And it's so cool, you guys. I love that it is rechargeable. I have a rechargeable lamp and a rechargeable drill, and it's so useful. It's also super small, which I am obsessed with. It is 3000 RPM. It is the Scamander e-file, and stay tuned, you guys, because I do have an update on this nail drill. Yeah, make sure you stay tuned to that. I end up getting a different one, so make sure you're stay tuned to the channel and I will let you guys know. So I am going to let you guys hear now. I do turn up the e-file so that you guys can hear. The vibration isn't horrible, but it was a bit vibrating more than I thought it would on a higher speed. It has a forward and reverse. And it has a little knob on top where you can control the speed. And it starts off at 3 right away, which I don't like that so much. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys right here the noise. Alright, you guys, so I hope that gave you guys a good sense of what it sounded like. The vibration wasn't too bad, but there was some vibration, more than I expected. I do love the Melody Susie dust collector, though. Sorry for the shakiness. Just plugging this in. This is the Melody Susie dust collector. I reviewed it a few while back, like 5 or 6 videos back, and I've been using it a lot, and I really do like it. It sucks up most of the dust. It's really nice. Yeah, I highly recommend this dust collector. Today I'm going to show you guys how I remove my après dupe nails. I know there aren't too many videos on removal, and yeah, I thought that would be super helpful and a way to test out the e-file. What I did notice with this e-file is that the bits got hotter than they did with my old e-file. Yeah, so just something to note, especially when I was going over 10,000 RPMs, and sometimes even less when I was sealing in my cuticles for the après gel X nails with a sanding band. So it's just something to note. How I start removing my après gel X nails is I clip off the free edge as close as possible as I can to my natural nail. And then I'm going to go in with a carbide drill bit. I am going on here on 19 RPMs, and I kind of go down and vary. This is a extra coarse safety bit. It is a carbide, but it has a rounded edge, so it won't cut you. And basically, I like to either go from one side of the nail to the other, not staying in one place for too long, or I like to go up and down the nail. I like to put a little bit of pressure towards the tip to the middle of the nail when I'm doing it, and then almost no pressure near the cuticle area, because the majority of the product is going to be in the tip and the middle of the nail. And once you feel like you are getting close to your natural nail, if you are not experienced with e-filing, or even if you are, if you don't feel comfortable, honestly, you can switch to a sanding band, a fine sanding band, get the nail in a shape that you like, and just keep it like that. If there's no product lifting, a little bit of product on your nail is actually just going to protect it in the long run. But if you do want to, at that point, you can wrap your nails with aluminum foil and a cotton ball soaked in acetone, and keep it on for about 10 minutes, and then go in with the cuticle pusher and the gel will just scrape right off. I do prefer taking them off though with the e-file completely and leaving just a small layer of gel on my natural nails. I find that this keeps my nails stronger, and I just enjoy to do it this way. So I'm so sorry I'm out of frame, you guys, but I am doing the same thing. I went a little bit lower, so like between 19,000 to 15,000 RPMs on this Melody Susie nail drill, extra coarse safety bit, and then I just went back and forth, side to side, and up and down the nails, focusing on the tip and the middle, and then once that is off, the cuticle area is super easy. And then after I'm finished, you guys can see there's just like a small amount of gel left on my nail, nothing major. I like to go in and clip down my nails. This is just me. I like to do that, but be careful when you are wearing enhancements of any kind, Opera X or acrylic nails. The skin underneath your nail tends to grow higher than it would if your nails are short. So when you're clipping your nails, be sure to be cognizant of that and not clip the skin underneath your nail, because that is living tissue and it will hurt. So just be careful of that. So what I did is I cleaned my nails at this point with rubbing alcohol just to get all of the dust off. And then I am going in here, as I told you guys, just with the fine sanding band, just to shape the nails how I like. And yeah, just to make sure that they're nice and smooth. There is some gel still left on them, but it is not lifted and it looks clean, and it's totally okay to leave that on the nail plate. It just really protects it, especially if you're doing a lot of manicures and gel manicures and stuff like that. It's totally okay to leave it on there. Yeah, I'm also just doing this to do a dry manicure, pushing the cuticles back a little bit, just cleaning up the overall nail plate. You want to make sure that you do not stay in one place for too long. When I'm doing this process, I am about 5,000 to 7,000 RPMs, not very high, because again, this is much closer to the natural nail. Alright, you guys, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Opera Gel X removal and the review of the Scamander Melody Susie e-file. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!